Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to set up a birthday bot on Discord. First, go to your web browser and search TopGG. Click on the first link to open the TopGG website. On the TopGG website, click on the search bar and search birthday. Scroll down to view all the options provided. You will see the birthday bot option and click on it to open details. There is an invite button right to the bot name. Click on it and you will be directed to the Discord website. Click on the continue button to give access to your account. Give permission to the birthday bot and select the authorize button. Now, you have to verify that you are human. Click on the I am human box and solve the puzzle to verify yourself. Now, you will be directed to the general channel. To set up your server, type / and setup. Select the setup option and press enter. It will help you set up your server using the birthday bot. Click on the tools icon under the bot message. Your server will complete the setup successfully. On the right side, click on the birthday bot option. In the pop-up menu bar, you can use different options. Click on the birthdays option on the left side. To add a message, start by typing / and select the message add option. Enter the type and then add the message to add. Press enter and your command will be voted in 24 hours. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.